Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for a crispy oven fried chicken. It's a healthier version and I know you guys will love it. Let's get started. Okay guys, so you'll need a few simple ingredients. Here I have my chicken wings, all flats, already washed, and I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, some chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, sazon, some baking powder, and cornstarch. So basically what you want to do is go ahead and pat your chicken dry. Make sure the chicken is very dry because that will give you the crispiest texture. Next, you want to go ahead and add your seasonings to the chicken wings. Get in there with your hands and mix until they're very well coated. Then you want to follow up with your cornstarch and baking powder. Make sure to use baking powder and not baking soda. The baking powder is what helps to make the chicken super crispy. So once you're done, you want to prepare your baking dish. I will use a tray and you want to make sure you line it so that it doesn't the drippings from the chicken don't ruin your baking tray. And you want to cook them on a wire rack so that the air can circulate, and that also helps to make the chicken nice and crispy. So we'll place it on the wire rack and make sure you space them out so they're not, choked up together. And we will put this in a 400-degree oven for about 1 hour. After 30 minutes, you want to get in there and just flip them over to the other side. Now, my advice, you want to do the bottom side up first. I did it the other way around, but the best thing to do is place it the bottom side up first, and then you flip it over to the nice looking part. After about an hour, the chicken wings is all done, but listen to this. Hear how crispy this chicken is. Pure perfection. So here you have it, my version of the most delicious, crispy, oven baked or fried chicken. I like to say fried because the texture is so crispy. It's like a fried chicken wing. And I truly enjoyed it. I dipped it in some Kinder's chicken sauce and it was divine. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.